it's Kristen from the Yellow and Stitch podcast, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about my 2021 project that I hope you will consider joining me for. This project is called Finish, Fix, or Frog, and as you might imagine, this is a knit along or perhaps a crochet along, where we work on finishing, fixing, or frogging our outstanding projects. So whether that's whips or finished projects that have sprouted holes and need to be repaired, or projects that we are ready to let go of and need to be ripped out, and perhaps we've been procrastinating on that a little bit. This is going to be a project for all of 2021 so that we can clear the slate, especially after 2020, which has been a difficult year, I think, for everyone. So I want to invite you to join me for that, and I also want to invite you to consider Finish, Fix, or Frog, a project outside of your knitting basket. So maybe there are some projects in your regular, non-knitting, everyday life that need to be finished. Maybe whether that's something around the house, other crafty projects, sewing projects, home repairs, redecoration, things like that. Maybe it's a relationship that needs to be mended, fixed after this difficult year. Or maybe it's something that you need to let go of, whether, again, that's a actual project you're working on or a relationship. Anything that, as my favorite YouTube yogi Adrian would say, anything that is no longer serving you and you need to remove it from your life. I think we can apply this finish, fix, or frog mentality to a lot of different areas of our lives in the new year. And so I want to invite you to join me in that project. For more details about the actual knit along, crochet along, kind of the nitty gritty, you can watch episode 31 of the Yellow and Stitch podcast, which is going to go up in just a couple of days. And I will be providing you with some guidance on getting your project started, how to go about determining what needs to be finished, fixed, or frogged for the year, things along those lines. I'll also be opening up a chatter thread on Ravelry. We'll have a hashtag, all that good stuff. But consider this your invitation to join me for Finish, Fix, or Frog, a 2021 journey.